Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of introverted personalities and exploring what we call the mind of an architect. We're talking about how certain introverted types, like INTJs, INFJs, and ISTJs, think strategically, creating order in a world that often feels chaotic. So, whether you're an introvert yourself, no one, or just want to understand what drives this unique mindset, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Introverts are often known for their quiet, deep thinking. They aren't the loudest in the room, but their minds are constantly working, analyzing, and planning. For some introverts, this careful approach to life isn't just a habit, it's what we can call the mind of an architect. They're the strategic thinkers, the ones who plan every move, often seeing things from a big picture perspective that others might miss. Now, let's break down how these different introverted types think. Take INTJs, for example. Known as the architects, INTJs thrive on analyzing complex ideas and envisioning the future. They're masters at thinking ahead, and they're driven by curiosity, an urge to understand everything deeply and find the best path forward. They often look at the world as a puzzle to be solved. Next, we have the INFJs, or the advocates. These introverts have a more people-centered approach to their strategic thinking. For INFJs, it's all about understanding relationships and emotions. They're planners, too, but they focus on how they can support others and work toward causes that matter to them. INFJs see strategic thinking as a way to make a positive impact and connect on a deeper level. Finally, we have the ISTJs, often called the inspectors. They bring a very practical form of strategic thinking, one that's grounded in details and routines. ISTJs value stability and predictability, so their strategies focus on maintaining order and avoiding chaos. They prefer to have a clear plan, and their detail-oriented mindset often keeps teams and projects running smoothly. So, what drives these introverted types to think so strategically? For many, it's a need for understanding and a sense of control. While some people thrive on spontaneity, introverts often feel at their best when they have a plan. It's not that they're avoiding excitement, they just like to approach life in a meaningful and intentional way. This strategic approach helps introverts manage the unpredictability of life. Instead of reacting impulsively, they think things through, weighing the options, analyzing the risks, and making sure they're prepared. By doing this, they can build stronger relationships, achieve personal goals, and create a life that aligns with their values. It's not about playing it safe, it's about making every step count. So, next time you meet a quiet thinker who seems to have everything planned out, remember this. Their mind isn't just focused on the next step. They're looking at the bigger picture, aiming to create something meaningful from every decision. This architect's mind is a strength, allowing introverts to bring purpose and order to their world. To gain more introverted insights, visit the Strategic Introvert Institute by clicking the link below.